This is my week or enhancement for video. As you can see from my database, I don't have anything added, and my inventory, there is nothing added. So if I come over to here, you can see that I am entering through the products and checking the validation on this page. Everything is green and everything's green. So adding a new product, if I check this page, it's green. And this one, it also validates. If I hit add category, I get an error message, and that also validates. So I'm going to add in rope, and that takes me back to product management, and it's been added over here. So I come to the add product page, and if I select add product, I get an error message, and this all validates as well. Then if I fill this all in, hit add product, I get that it was successfully added, and you can see that this all validates as well. And then if we come back to the database and refresh, you can see here is the cotton rope that was just added, and in the clients or the categories, the rope has been added. Thanks.